Science 1 Numericals, Chapter 1, Question number 5-D. Question number 4. An object thrown vertically upwards reaches a height of 500 meter. What was its initial velocity? How long will the object take to come back to the earth? Assume the value of acceleration due to gravity is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now, solution. We'll read the question again. An object thrown vertically upwards reaches a height of 500 meter. So in given we will be writing height is equal to 500 meter. What was its initial velocity? We have to find initial velocity. So how long will the object take to come back to the earth? Assume g is equal to 10 meter per second. So acceleration due to gravity is equal to 10 meter per second. We already saw that we need to find initial velocity. So to find initial velocity, also it is asked how long will the object take. That means we have to find total time taken. Now formula we'll be checking out. So first formula is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. V is your final velocity, u is your initial velocity, a is your acceleration, and s is displacement. And second formula is s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is displacement, u is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration, and t is time. Now we'll be checking out its calculation. So for upward motion of the ball, suppose this ball is moving upward, there will be some initial velocity, and here at this point final velocity will be 0 meter per second. So we will be writing here as final velocity is 0 meter per second. Next, acceleration is equal to minus g is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. Here acceleration is given in form of negative. Why? Because the ball is moving upward and the gravity is directed downward. So acceleration here will be negative. So according to the formula, we know the formula, it is v square is equal to u square plus 2a s. The value of v is 0 and initial velocity we need to find. So we'll be writing as it is 2 into a. The value of a is minus 10 into the value of s is 500. Displacement in this question it is given 500 meter. So 0 is equal to u square plus minus becomes minus 2 into 10 into 500 will get 10,000. Therefore, u square is equal to 10,000. Therefore, taking square root will get value as u is equal to 100 meter per second. So here we will be getting 100 meter per second. Now we'll be checking out for downward or up motion of the ball. So here at this point, the initial velocity will be equal to 0 meter per second because the ball is starting from here. So initial velocity is 0 meter per second. So for downward motion of the ball, we will be writing here as u is equal to 0 meter per second. And acceleration will be equal to positive g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Here we have written positive. Why? Because acceleration due to gravity, that means gravity is downward, is directed downwards, and ball is also directed downwards. So both are having the same direction. So here we have written positive. But in this case, both were in opposite direction. So we had written here as negative. Yes. So we know the formula. The formula is S is equal to ut plus half at square. So the value of s we know it is 500. Initial velocity we got as 0 into time we don't know plus half into acceleration. Here it is 10 and time it is t square. So 500 is equal to 0 and here 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are. So plus 5t square. Therefore t square is equal to 500 upon 5 is equal to 100. So taking square root we will get t is equal to 10 seconds. Yes, so we got the value as 10 seconds. So time for upward journey of the ball will be the same as time for downward journey, that is 10 seconds. That means for moving up it takes 10 seconds and for moving downward it takes 10 seconds. So we can calculate the uh, final time. It will be 10 into 2, that is equal to 20 seconds. So the initial velocity of the object is 100 meter per second square. Yes, we received from here. And the total time taken by the object to reach the ground and come down is 20 seconds.